Hello children, how are you all? In the last class, we discussed the basic functions of a computer system, that is input, process and output. Today, we are going to study about input devices, different types of input devices. What is a input device? Input devices are used to give data and instructions into the computer. That is, input devices are used to feed data into the computer. Some of the input devices are as follows. First one, keyboard, then mouse, touch screen, touchpad, light pen, joystick, microphone, scanner, digital camera and webcam. These are the input devices. In this, keyboard and mouse. These two are, we have already learned in the second standard. Keyboard is used to type instructions into the computer and mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point and select data or items on the screen. Then today we will discuss touch screen, touchpad, light pen and joystick. Then remaining 4 we will discuss in the next class, that is microphone, scanner, digital camera and webcam. These 4 will be discussed in the next class. Okay, let's start. Now we are going to discuss touch screen. A touch screen is a screen that can be used by touching it with finger instead of using a mouse and keyboard. Today, all kinds of devices, both big and small, make use of touch screens. Most monitors, mobile phones and ATMs have touch screens. Touchpad. All children, listen here. What is this? Yes, this is touchpad. What is the use of touchpad? Yes, it is a pointing device. It is used to point and select items on the monitor screen. Point and select items on the monitor screen. Children, can you see? Okay, it works in the same way as a mouse. It works in the same way as a mouse. When we move our finger along the touchpad, the pointer on the screen also moves. The pointer on the screen also moves. Then, how to open an item on the screen? Listen. Suppose I want to open this local disk D. Then I tap my finger on the touchpad. Tap my finger on the touchpad. Then the local disk D will be open. The local disk D will be open. Okay. Then here you can see two buttons, one left button and one right button. These two buttons together form clickpad. This is called clickpad. This is touchpad and this is clickpad. Okay. These buttons work similar to the left and right button of a mouse. Similar to the left and right button of a mouse. Next, light pen. A light pen is a pointing device. It looks like a pen. It is mainly used to point and select objects on the monitor. Using a light pen, We can also draw directly on the screen. Next one, joystick. Joystick is commonly used to control video games. It is also a pointing device like the mouse. It consists of a stick. By moving the stick, we can move the pointer on the screen in right, left, forward and backward directions.